American 1064, contact NorCal departure.
Hang on, we had multiple bird strikes on takeoff, American 1064, standby.
Roger. At a 1449, I'm going to take you off the runway. So make a right turn at, right turn on, Mike.
Right turn, Mike, at a 1449.
Horizon 2065, just use caution. There was a bird strike on the intersecting runway.
Roger.
United 1116, just use caution. Bird strike reported on the intersecting runway.
United 1116.
American 1064, contact NorCal departure and just let them know what you need.
Yeah, American 1064, roger. Hey, NorCal departure, American 1064. We're 4,900 for 190, and we have multiple bird strikes on takeoff. We'd like to return to SFO.
American 1064 NorCal departure radar contact. I'm going to maintain 7,000 work for you.
Okay, 7,000 American 1064.
American 1064, just fly present heading, you're clear to San Francisco Airport via radar vectors, and when you have a moment, the number of people on board and the fuel remaining, please.
Okay, standby. We'll maintain 7,000 present heading. American 1064, we have 179 souls on board, 263 minutes of fuel. And what kind of approach do we expect, American 1064?
American 1064, whatever you want, you can expect runway 28 right.
Okay, 28 right, American 1064.
If you want to start the descent and go that way, that's fine.
NorCal American 1064, 7,000, good morning.
American 1064, NorCal Pro, 2 to clear, turn altimeter 3036, expect a visual approach to runway 28 right.
Okay, we'll expect that, American 1064.
American 1064, understand you had a bird strike. Are you going to be requiring assistance on the ground?
We had multiple bird strikes on takeoff. We have no indication of any damage, so we just like to return to the airport. We're not anticipating needing assistance.
American 1064, thank you. Maintain 210 knots.
210 knots, American 1064.
American 1064, do you need the ILS to the right?
Affirmative, American 1064.
American 1064, roger. Turn 10 degrees right.
10 right, American 1064.
American 1064, can you accept a visual approach to 28 right via the 28 right localizer?
Yeah, affirmative, American 1064.
American 1064, roger. Turn right, heading 170.
Okay, right 170, American 1064.
And American 1064, just trying to maintain 4,000.
Send 4,000, American 1064.
American 1064, turn right, heading 250. Advising you at San Francisco Airport, also site 23 o'clock, 14 miles.
257, the heading, we'll do that, American 1064.
American 1064, just intercept 28 right, localizer, frequency 111.7.
We'll join the localizer, American 1064. Do you have lower for us, ma'am? 4,000 for now, that's it, right?
American 1064, you can now just maintain 3,000.
3,000 feet, American 1064.
American 1064, do you have San Francisco Airport in sight?
Yeah, we have the airport inside, American 1064.
American 1064, clear visual approach to runway 28 right, maintain 180 knots.
Clear visual 28 right, American 1064. San Francisco Tower, American 1064, visual 28 right, good morning.
American 1064, San Francisco Tower, wind 1106, runway 28 right, clear to land.
Clear to land 28 right, American 1064.
360 emergency aircraft is 8 mile final.
And San Francisco Tower, American 1064, we would like you to roll the trucks now. We're just to be cautious.
Yeah, they're already up.
Okay, thanks.